Namaskar, welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. Have a look on the headlines. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant bags prestigious Green Tech Award for Corporate Social Responsibility. Prize distribution ceremony held at HRD Center of SAIL RSP to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. And 8th Foundation Day of Deepika Mahila Jagriti Sansthan celebrated. Now the news in detail. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant has bagged the prestigious CSR Award from Green Tech Foundation for outstanding achievement in promotion of education. The award was presented during the 7th Annual CSR India Summit 2020 held virtually on 1st October 2020. It is worth mentioning here that former Chief Justice of India Supreme Court Honorable Deepak Mishra was the chairman of the evaluation committee. The award was presented to RSP for the significant contribution it is making in promoting education amongst the underprivileged children staying in and around the Steel City. It is worth mentioning here that RSP has set up Deepika Ispat Shiksha Sadan, which has more than 600 children studying in class 1 to 10. This free school is being managed by Deepika Mahila Sanghati, a leading philanthropic organization of the city. The school is encouraging the children from slums to shape their future on the wings of education. Provisions of quality midday meal and free books, dress material has contributed a lot in good retention and almost zero dropouts of children from school. New facilities are being added every year to enhance the academic ambience and quality of education in the school. A noticeable trait has been the steady increase and the active intake of girl students, which now stands at 55% of the school strength. This has brought in a positive change in the perception of women's education in the slums, where traditionally the girl child takes up the unskilled jobs from a very young age. Since 2016, when the first batch of students appeared, the Class 10 board examinations conducted by Board of Secondary Education Odisha, every year the school is registering 100% pass percentage. Another major initiative of RSP in promotion of education is the Akshay Patra project. Through this initiative, the steel plant is providing nutritious midday meal to more than 40,000 students in every working day. The plant has also put in place a number of scholar schemes under which financial assistance is being provided to students from class 1 to professional courses from periphery villages and resettlement colonies. A prize distribution ceremony was held at HRD Center of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 1st October to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Ms. Rajshri Banerjee, GM in charge HRD, was the chief guest and presented the prizes to the winners of quiz and essay competition held earlier. The function was held in accordance with the COVID-19 protocol. Around 91 employees, including executives, participated in the quiz competition held in distant online mode. The questions were based on general knowledge and life and times of Mahatma Gandhi. Mr. K.K. Jaiswal, AGM HRD, conducted the quiz. Similarly, employees in the grade S1 to S11 participated in the essay competition. The topic for essay writing was Relevance of Mahatma Gandhi in Present Times, which was held in either Odia, Hindi or English. This event was coordinated by Ms. Arnapurna Behra, Manager HRD. The 8th Foundation Day of Deepika Mahila Jagriti Sansthan, managed by Deepika Mahila Sanghati and patronized by SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, was celebrated on 2nd October 2020. Mrs. Raka Chatraj, President Deepika Mahila Sanghati, graced the occasion as chief guest and inaugurated the function by paying floral tributes to the portraits of Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi and Lal Bahadur Shastri, the former Prime Minister of India. Mrs. Chatraj was accompanied by Dr. Mrs. Suprava Mishra, Mrs. Suman Lata and Mrs. Minakshi Mahapatra, all Vice Presidents of the Sanghati. Members of the governing body of the Sanghati were also present on the occasion. The function was held in strict adherence to the COVID-19 protocols. At the outset, Mrs. Namita Mahapatra, Secretary DMS, spoke about the importance of the occasion. It is worth mentioning that the Deepika Mahila Jagriti Sansthan, situated in Sector 2, has become an epicenter of several women-centric activities. It houses a handloom center, Deepika Hast Kargha, a masala center, tailoring unit, phenyl making unit, and a low-cost sanitary napkin making unit, where women and adolescent girls from industrial township and peripheral villages are engaged and trained to earn their livelihood and supplement their family income. The Sansthan complex was inaugurated and the Handloom Center was launched on 2nd October 2012. Till now, 8 batches of students have been trained in the Hastkargha unit. And with this, we come to the end of this edition of News Bulletin. Namaskar.